Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix account not found on TikTok. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the TikTok app on our phone. Now you want to open the inbox and you found account not found. Now you're curious about why is this account not found? There's actually 3 ways on how we can fix this. The first thing that we need to do is go back to your home screen and go to your app store. And if you're using an Android phone, go to your Google Play Store. Now let's search TikTok. Now here you just need to make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app. If you have the latest version of the TikTok app, beside it, it will say open. But if not, it will prompt you to update the app. In my case, I have the latest version of the TikTok app since it says open. If that doesn't fix the issue, there's a second way on how to fix it. You just need to clear cache. Now, if you're using an iOS device, you can just long press and clear cache. But you can also open the app and go to your profile located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it and go to the 3 horizontal line located at the top right corner of your screen. Click Settings and Privacy. Now you need to scroll all the way down and look for Free Up Space. Tap on it. And here you can see cache, downloads, and draft. You just need to clear cache. There you have it. And once you're done clearing cache, and if it still did not work, the last thing that you need to do is to go back to your settings and privacy and then report a problem. Now here, there's a lot of options. You just need to click on search and unable to find specific users or content. And you can follow the steps, or if this doesn't work, you can just click no and need more help. Here you can describe the problem and TikTok will get back to you in a few days. And if it's still not fixed, maybe that person blocked you on TikTok. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!